Memphis. Tigers.
Coming out of set 2 after the 10-minute break, it looked like we came out a little more. Memphis came out a little more energy. Can you try to talk about that out of it?
We did, and that's a good thing and a bad thing. You know, we're coming out when our backs are against the wall, and then we're fighting. What this team needs to understand, and where we're working to get at in practice and through competition, is that we have to come out from the first point. Where we've been in our last 5 matches playing from behind, and we really have to change that precedent. And that just comes down to, you know, us having some confidence in our play, which, you know, granted with where we're at right now can be difficult, but this is still a good team. And we know that we're looking to advance and get ourselves ready for conference tournament or Conference USA play, and that's going to take some lumps along the way. And as we figure things out and figure out the lineup and who's going to bring what we need on the court, then, you know, we can take those lumps as long as we're getting better and preparing ourselves for the next step.
What are a few things to work on here? Travel to Charleston.
Well, honestly, we know we need to work on our team defense. I mean, Arkansas State has a fantastic offense. You know, they're hitting great, siding out at about 70%. So it really exposes that, you know, we need to work on our defensive play, our back row, and we're trying different things with putting some defensive players in the backcourt just to create that energy, going for balls, being able to dig those balls up. And really this weekend, we just have to keep building. You know, I'm not going to give up, and you know, yeah, our backs are against the wall just a little bit here. Nobody wants to start this way, but we're going to keep fighting, and we're going to plug away tomorrow at practice.